Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HUAWEI MatePad SE, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. I suggest using an old toothbrush because using this tool you can't damage your USB charging port and your connectors in the port. So I suggest you use this tool, and as you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, insert the one part of the brush into the connector and pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.